Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Pilot headlight bulb using an easy method. Before we begin, it's important to gather your materials. You'll need a new headlight bulb, which you can find at any auto parts store, and a pair of clean gloves. Always make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool to the touch for safety. Now, let's get to the bulb. First, open your Honda Pilot's hood. Look behind the headlight assembly to find the bulb you need to replace, whether it's the low beam, high beam, or turn signal. For many models, you can simply reach directly behind the headlight housing to access the bulb socket without needing any tools. Once your batter is ready, pour it into a greased and floured baking pan. Gently tap the pan a few times to release any air bubbles. Place it in your preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Bake for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. Remember, avoid opening the oven door during the first 25 minutes to prevent the cake from sinking. To check for doneness, insert a clean toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Now for the new bulb, carefully insert it into the socket, making sure the alignment tabs fit correctly. Remember, do not touch the glass. Reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, insert the entire socket back into the headlight housing and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock it. Finally, turn on your headlights to confirm your new bulb is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.